So, you're a bartender and you want to grow your Instagram page. You've come to the right place. Grab yourself a cuppa, let's go. So, first off, my name's the Rusty Bartender and I have an Instagram page that has over 25,000 followers. For me, this page really just started off as a hobby. Then, after a bit of time, I realized I could actually make a little bit of money from this. So, if you're here thinking this could be a good little side hustle, it is.
So just from my Instagram page alone, I've got jobs from a mobile bar business from this. I've been doing jobs for brands and other companies, wineries. Did some work for Bacardi. So it's really worthwhile.
So, let's start off with your profile. Include a clear profile picture or even a logo. Your bio wants to highlight your skills and experience as a bartender. I'd recommend having a username with bartender in it somewhere. This makes it easy for people to find you, especially when people are using keywords and hashtags. Content wise, bartenders have just so much to offer. You've got cocktails, drinks, videos, pictures, behind the scenes videos and pictures, experimenting with new recipes, interacting with customers. You could do live vlogs, you do live from the bar videos. Basically, just show off your skills and personality. This will give people a sense of what it's like to have you as their bartender. It's also important to share your story and connect with your followers. Think of it like those reality pop star programs. Everybody's got a backstory. Instagram's a great way to share experience and knowledge and just be open to answering people's questions and engage with your followers. So now that you've got ideas for content, another way of growing your following is collaborating with other bartenders and influencers in the community. Just reach out to them in their DMs. See if you can work together on some cocktails or other ideas. When you work on collaborations, your content's going to get shown to their audience and vice versa. So if you can collaborate with people that have big followings already, it's a win for you because your stuff is going to get shown to a larger audience than it already would. Last of all, be consistent. I know you've probably heard this a million times from people on YouTube, but it's true. Think of it this way on Instagram. Whenever you post, your post will generally last maybe 1 or 2 days and then it doesn't get any more views. But if you post consistently, more people are going to see it. Post 3 or 4 times a week, you're going to have over 150 posts by the end of that year. And that's a lot more people that are going to see that than just by posting once a week. Think of it this way. Your Instagram is like a fishing line. If you're only throwing one rod in that big sea, you're only going to catch one fish. But if you've got 3 or 4 rods, you're going to catch more fish. Anyway, if you want to see me do another video on the exact method I used to gain over 25,000 followers in 1 year, let me know in the comments below. Until then, cheers. See you next time.